how to get your specific person to confess their feelings for you, and there's no contact needed. Hi everyone, I'm Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and Alchemy success coach, and today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, I believe that if you loved once and you love deeply, you can love deeper, stronger the second time around. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com and claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out exactly what a mentoring program can mean for your life. lawofattractionsolutions.com. Yes, I said it, and I was very clear. It's in the title. You don't have to chase them. You don't have to drive by their house late at night. You don't have to beg them. You don't have to ask them. They will tell you their feelings, and you don't even have to be, you don't even have to be near them. You don't even have to have contact with them. They will call you, text you, and they will start to open up and share their deepest feelings for you. So if you've been stuck in a painful space of waiting, wondering, or obsessing, take a deep breath. This is the information you need. So high flyers, let's start out with some foundational truth. Number one, everyone is you pushed out. Everyone is an aspect of yourself, a reflection of who you are, of what you feel, of how you think. The law of assumption and the law of attraction both teach us the following. People respond to the beliefs you hold about them and about yourself. If you believe your SP, your specific person, the one that you love, is emotionally closed off, then that's exactly how they'll respond to you. I have one lady, she's been married to her husband for many years now. And they're not going through a divorce, but they're not living together either. And she keeps referring to him as having a hard shell. He's got a hard shell. He's stubborn. Do you see what she's doing? She's reinforcing the very belief that she doesn't want to have, that works against her. But if you shift into the assumption that they are open, expressive, and deeply in love with you, you'll start seeing signs of that belief, and it will play out in your 3D reality. You see, you don't need to speak to them or have long conversations or try to draw it out from them. You don't need to do it. You don't need to play those games. You can do all of this vibrationally and energetically. So point two, detachment doesn't mean indifference. A lot of people think that, but it doesn't. It means inner power. A lot of people misunderstand no contact. They think it's about ignoring the other person or punishing the other person or playing games with the other person. It's not about that. No contact, and I've said this before, is about creating space for you and your specific person to get aligned, to get clear, to become magnetic toward each other again. You're going to use this time to shift the story that's going on in your head from why won't they call me? Why won't they talk to me? Why won't they open up their feelings to me? To the following. They've always had feelings for me. They're just building the courage to speak their truth. You see, it's not just the words that come out of your mouth. It's your inner dialogue. It's what you say to yourself that provides the script that the universe follows. So, starting right now, begin to think and feel as if the confession of feelings from your specific person were real and happening this very moment. Because they are. This is the time. You see, all manifestation takes place now. Right now. Point number 3, inner conversation is your secret weapon. Neville Goddard talks about this in all of his books. It's the most powerful tool. And I've used it in my own life with crazy results. I've seen my clients use it with incredible results. So here's what to do. Every night before you sleep, visualize your SP sitting across from you. Imagine them looking at you with love, maybe even nervousness, and saying the following. I have to tell you something. I've had feelings for you this whole time. I just didn't know how to say it. Allow your heart to respond to that. Feel it. Emotionalize it. Believe it. Trust it. Because it's real. You're creating it. High flyers, I urge you to repeat this consistently. Because what you're doing on a consistent basis is reprogramming your subconscious mind. And remember, your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the universe. Point number 4, affirmations that shift your core belief. It's not just about thinking they love you. That helps, but that's not enough. It's about believing that you are worth being loved, desired, chosen. Try these affirmations daily. They do work. They are always thinking about me. They love how safe and open they feel around me. It's natural for people to confess their love to me. I am magnetic to loving, open, romantic confessions. Affirm this over and over and over until it becomes your absolute truth. Well, 5 is let the 3D catch up. Give the 3D some time to catch up. Here's the hardest part for many people. They do a little bit of work for a few days or a week, and they go, oh, nothing's happened. And they immediately sabotage themselves. They themselves up, is what they do. You have to stop looking at the 3D for your evidence. Your evidence is right here. It's not out here. It's right in here. Now, look at your SP might seem distant for a while. They may still not call you as often, but you stay with it, ignore their behavior, and stay with your inner reality, the reality that you are creating, and you're going to start to see change. Let the 3D catch up with what you're doing. There are 4 worlds of manifestation, and I'm not going to go through that right now, but you're creating at the highest level. And so it takes time for that energy to matriculate down into the world of action, the world of the 3D. And when they do confess how much they love you, how much they can't stand being away from you, when they confess it, and they will, it's going to happen, it's going to feel natural to you. You're going to love the way it feels. You're going to go, yeah, I've been here all along. I've been right here all along. Just do this work every day. The universe will handle the rest of the work for you. You don't have to do the heavy lifting. The universe is going to do it for you. So if you really desire your specific person to confess how much they love you, stop chasing their words and get in touch with the version of you that is lovable, that knows that they love you, knows that they desire you and care about you. And when you're in that state of knowingness, that state of absolute certainty, the universe has no choice but to reflect it back to you. And that's how things changed. That's how all of a sudden people changed. Now, I'm going to tell you a funny story, and I think you'll like this. So, many years ago, I was teaching a class on this very subject to about 10 people. And my roommate was getting ready for work. And you could hear him upstairs getting dressed and all that kind of stuff. And I said, he's going to come downstairs at any moment. I want us to close our eyes and feel him, not just hear him, but feel him sneezing. And everybody laughed, but we did it. We only did it for about 3 minutes. He came downstairs, nothing happened. He walked around, and then all of a sudden he walked into the kitchen and he started sneezing. And he started sneezing like a lot. So I said to everybody, now let's close our eyes and visualize him breathing easy. No sneezing, just having a great day. And we did that, and the sneezing went away. This is a very interesting little experiment. I've done this in some of my workshops. It proves how fast the universe works, but you have to give the universe a little bit of time, especially with something like a confession. So start the work now, and then share with me what they're going to confess to you. I want to hear it. Okay, do you believe it? What are they going to confess to you about their love for you? Write it down below. Okay, thank you so much. And I want to remind you that this next video, I picked it especially for you. So check it out.